Setting up payment processing in GoHighLevel. Welcome to this guide on setting up payment processing in GoHighLevel. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure you are ready to receive payments seamlessly and automatically. Let's dive in and explore how to connect your payment gateway for hassle-free recurring revenue. But before getting the payment gateway setup done, there's one step left: getting your order form ready. So once you have created the product, you would jump to your maybe a landing page. So I'll go to my landing page inside the funnels and I'll come to Learn Canva with Sawan. Now within this, you'll find the product option. Within products, you can now add the product you just created, test subscription product. The pricing would be this, and I click on save. And I can choose to delete. The moment you add this product, you come back to overview, and in the order form, that would be, let's open this. In the order form that you have added, or when you create a new landing page and add the order form, the product would automatically get connected to your order form. So that's my order form here. This order form would automatically get connected to the product that I have created. In this case, in my case, I have two products here. So it would be two products. So if you'll see, if I do view the page and I look at the subscription options right now, payment options right now. So Sawan Kumar roy.savan@gmail.com, let's say 98317 Kolkata, India, West Bengal 70091. Saves, go to step 2, and when I come to step 2, I would see the two products. So test subscription product, that is a per week, $9 per week, and a Canva Mastery, because I did not remove the current product. So I select one of the products, the payment gateway is connected here, that's PayPal in my case, and when you click on PayPal, it is automatically going to activate your payment options. Let's come back to the presentation. Setting up access settings. Now let's make sure you are ready to receive payments, and for that we head over to settings in our GoHighLevel dashboard, locate the payment gateway. Look for the option to connect a payment gateway within the settings menu. Select your preferred payment gateway. This could be Stripe or PayPal, whatever works best for you. How do you connect a Stripe account? You initiate a connection, you authorize the access, and you confirm the integration. Very easy steps. I'll show that to you in a while. So what are the benefits of automated payment? Let's look at this. You no longer have to chase. So with automated payment processing, you will no longer need to manually follow up on overdue invoices. It's automatically going to charge their credit card or whatever they have saved. That you do not have any headaches. So say goodbye to the stress of managing payment collection. The system handles it all for you. Then there's the recurring revenue. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with recurring revenue straight to your bank account. The payment gateway options, Stripe, PayPal, and some other payment gateway options that GoHighLevel provides. To ensure smooth payment processing, keep an eye on your payment dashboard to ensure all transactions are processing correctly. Familiarize yourself with the customer support options for both GoHighLevel and your chosen payment gateway. Implement recommended security practices. To protect your payment data and maintain customer trust. So that's not much you need to do. GoHighLevel takes care of it all. Keep your payment gateway's integration up to date with the latest features and security patches. Once again, GoHighLevel takes care of it. Let's come back to the payment settings. So right here, if you come to the payments section, and right here, if you come to integrations, you would find the payment gateways. Now this payment gateway could be PayPal, which is connected, It could be Stripe, and so to connect Stripe, you click on connect. You click on connect with Stripe. It is going to log into your Stripe account if you already have one. If not, then create a Stripe account. To have a Stripe account, you can use the same email address. You click enter your email address, submit, you keep moving forward with the next steps, and your payment Stripe gets connected. Same is the case with PayPal. You click on PayPal, it logs into your PayPal account and it connects it for you. So you do not have to do any manual stuffs. GoHighLevel takes care of everything. Or if you want to use any one of these payment gateways, you can surely go ahead with this. That's all about setting up payments. Should you have any questions until now, feel free to ask me in the comments, in the Q&A section, in the Facebook community, and I'll be happy to help. See you.